Kami nga pala yung group 3 and nandito ako isa lang para gawin yung experiment 6 which is yung fluid flow with pipes. So yung experiment na to is i-investigate yung characteristic ng fluid flow and dinidistinguish yung laminar and turbulent flow. So yung laminar and turbulent is type siya ng flow, which is yung laminar is the fluid moves in smooth parallel layers with little or no mixing between the layers. And yung turbulent naman, the fluid moves chaotically with eddies and vortices. So dinidefine siya through Reynolds number, which is may formula na RE equals to density VD over mu.
Guys, ito naman yung mga gagamitin natin for experiment. Here is meron tayong prototype ng apparatus which is lalagyan mo ng tubig to. Ito naman yung dye which is color dye, ganun. Tapos meron tayong beaker na 250 ml. Meron tayong graduated cylinder na 250 ml. Vernier caliper sa pang-validate.
Ipapaliwanag naman namin ngayon kung ano yung process namin for the computation. Gagamit tayo ng formula na Reynolds number para malaman natin kung turbulent flow ba siya or laminar flow. Ang formula ng Reynolds number is density times velocity times diameter over mu. Gagamit din tayo ng density which is ang formula naman niya is mass over volume. Gagamit din tayo ng flow rate which is ang formula niya is volume over time or area times velocity. Gagamit din naman tayo ng terminal velocity para makuha natin yung mu na gagamitin natin for the Reynolds number. So, ang formula niya is distance over time or 1 over mu times gravity times the diameter ng sphere squared over density ng solid minus density ng fluid over 18. Let's proceed naman now sa kung paano namin ginawa yung mga computations. So, ang una namin ginawa is kinuha namin yung flow rate. Kinuha namin yung flow rate which is Q is equal to volume over time. Volume is 200 ml over So, yung time na nakuha namin is 44.31 seconds. And tinimes namin siya sa 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 para ma-convert siya into meter cube. 1 ml. Okay, so kapag in-equate natin yan sa calculator, makakakuha tayo ng 4.514 times 10 raised to 6, which is ang unit niya is meter cube over seconds. Para makuha naman namin yung volume, gumamit kami ng Q over area, which is 4.514 raised to negative 6 over pi over 4 times 200 mm. But kailangan natin i-convert into meter, so kailangan natin siyang i-divide sa 1,000 squared. So kapag in-equate natin to sa calculator, makakakuha tayo ng sagot na 0.0144 meter per second. So ayan. Then ang next naman na kukunin natin is yung density ng water, equal to mass over volume. Ang nakuha nating mass into grams is 189 grams, but kailangan ulit natin siyang i-convert into kilograms, so kailangan siyang i-divide sa 1,000. Then in volume is 200 ml. Then again, tatimes natin sa 10 raised to negative 6 para maging meter cube siya. So ang nakuha naming value for the density of water is 945. Then in-equate na lang namin siya into 1,000 kilogram per meter cube. Then ang sunod naman namin kinuha is yung density ng ball, which is mass over volume. Then 5 grams. Then as usual, divide natin sa 1,000 para maging kilogram over 1.46 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter cube. So ang nakuha naming value for the density of the ball is 3424.66 kilogram over meter cube. Then ang sunod naman namin kinuha is yung okay. Ang sunod naman kinuha is yung terminal velocity ng ball. So velocity is equal to distance over time. Ang nakuha namin distance ng ball drop is 304.8 mm over 0.49 seconds. So ang sagot na nakuha namin for this one is 622.04 meter mm over second. Then kailangan natin siyang i-equate sa terminal velocity ng formula para makuha natin yung mu. So 622.04 622.04 is equal sa 1 over mu times the gravity, or rather 9.81, times diameter ng sphere, which is 0.02 meters squared, times the density ng solid, which is yung ball, 342 or 0.66 minus 1000 over 18. So, nung sinalpak namin siya sa calculator, ang nakuha namin value for mu is 0.422 kilogram over meter dot seconds. Then, lastly, sasalpak na natin siya sa Reynolds number, which is ang formula is density times velocity times diameter over mu. Density ng water is 1000, velocity ng fluid is 0.0144, then yung diameter niya is 0.02 over, ang nakuha nating mu is 0.422. So, ang nakuha nating Reynolds number is 0.682. This is for the pilot.